Hey, to make your text more interesting for search engines, you should add your keywords to your text. The more detailed and informative your text is, the better they will be rated by search engines, which has a positive effect on your rankings. Log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Click on Pages in the left menu and select your homepage by clicking on the title. Navigate to the section where you would like to add your text and click to edit. Enter your optimized text. To add more paragraphs, click on the button. You can add as many new text sections as necessary. The text should include your 3 most important keywords, 2 to 3 times each. If possible, try to integrate these into the initial part of the text. The name of your company should also appear in the text. If you are managing a locally operating company, then you should also include the city name in the body text once. The text should be at least 300 words long, and you should avoid simply listing the keywords. To finish this task, click on Update. Great work! Let's move on to Step 2. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.